Hi there, students. Above and beyond the call of duty, or very often just shortened, beyond the call of duty, or above the call of duty as well. This is another phrase meaning to go the extra mile, to do more than can be expected as your duty. Emergency workers went beyond the call of duty to help the people who were trapped. They did things that endangered their own lives, yeah, and that was really way above the call of duty. Working all day Sunday is way above the call of duty. Okay, it's the call of duty, what it calls for, what is expected of you. Okay, so beyond the call of duty, more than is needed. Yes, you finished all this work on your own while I was sick, and I was supposed to help you. That really is going beyond the call of duty. Particularly is to go beyond the call of duty. Yeah, normally with the verb to go, to do more than is expected from you. So if somebody is really committed to what they're doing or to something, then they go above and beyond the call of duty, above and beyond what is expected of them. So above and beyond, further. Okay, either vertically or horizontally. As to formality, I think this phrase is, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, and I think you can use it anywhere. And then as to the origin, well, it comes from a military context. Originally used to talk about soldiers who had died for their country or who showed incredible bravery on the battlefield. For example, in the US, there's the Medal of Honor, which is awarded for conspicuous gallantry and intrepidity at the risk of life above and beyond the call of duty. Above and beyond the call of duty. Doing more than can be reasonably expected of you. Okay, so there you go. Above and beyond the call of duty. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Above and beyond the call of duty.